fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good morning, Bicolanja. We welcome you again for this season of Bucal. It's the juniors basketball. Our first matchup, it's the ACC Green Serpents going against the Pasacao Academy. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes, and with me is L.A. Lapid, and join us as we witness the action inside the hardcourt.
And your partner, Pasacao Academy, undefeated against the the ACC Green Serpents, undefeated against the Pasacao Academy 2-2, and waiting kung sino man yung mananalo sa Mariners Polytechnic Colleges na laban. Is they should hope that the Mariners will be game over tomorrow para hindi sila maabot kasi sila ay on the verge of being eliminated, and para maalis ang quarterfinal spot sa kanila. And then the ACC Green Serpents, well, a secured and guaranteed quarterfinal spot. And we see here moments, final preparation, and continuous dialogue with our commissioner, Sir Don Razon, and with the game officials of Bucal, Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas.
Ayan nga, LA, maya-maya po magsisimula na ang ating laban. But of course, we are live now here at the ADNU, the NAGA University Gymnasium, and of course, sa ating Facebook pages, the Bucal, the One Media TV 48 NAGA, as well as the Oragon Sports TV. Kaya napakagandang laban po ang magsisimula ngayon. And next week, abangan niyo po ang ating quarterfinals with the ACC and the Pasacao Academy. Ayan nga, napakagandang laban nga po itong ating mapapanood ngayong umagang ito. Dahil nga nasabi mo kanina, LA, itong ating ACC, wala pa po silang talo all throughout the elimination. Kaya titingnan natin kung matatapos ba ang elimination round with 5-0 ang ranking ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero titingnan din natin kung ano ba ang ipapakita dito ng ating Pasacao Academy.
Well, the ACC Green Serpents, we all know that they are being handled by the talented coach, Coach John Rodriguez, a man who upset the defending champions, the NCF Cubs, and now willing to actually start strong and end this elimination round with a 5-0 record.
Ayan nga, LA, napakaganda din ng performance na laging pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Kaya isa sila sa dapat nating abangan because I think we can see them on the finals ngayong sa performance nila dito sa ating elimination round. If they just continue with their offense and the defense, maganda ang magiging laban nila all throughout the season.
Now, Pasacao Academy is warming up, and the ACC also doing both preparations as they await their matchup this morning. It is one of our quadruple header matchup this day and the elimination round.
Ayan nga, maya-maya po, mapapanood na natin ang ating first game ngayon. Napakagandang pagsisimula ng ating umagang ito at para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Hi Tin and LA and good morning Bicalandia. Live here at Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium and through Bucal Facebook page. This is Eliza Faith Professor Respeto giving you the latest news and the updates from the court side of Amando Cope College Green Serpents. We are now on the last days of elimination round and the Serpents are now ready to slither this ball game and leave with a clean record now that they currently hold a 4 wins and 0 loss, making them the top 1 seed on the bracket. This is their last game before the start of the quarterfinals, and looking back, the Green Serpents effectively manifested their standing and proving that despite being a rookie team, they are indeed a force to be reckoned with. So join me as we witness the Serpents claim the glory and showcase the Serpent supremacy only here on Bucal Season 5. One Media, TV48 NAGA, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali, for that update sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. And now, we witness here the final preparations of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. And, syempre, may makakasama din tayo sa Pasacao Academy, ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla, at hihingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Hi Kyla, anong balita natin dyan?
Good morning, Ali and Tina, and to all basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48 NAGA, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the last week of the elimination round. I am Kyla Casuya, all the way from the side of Pasacao Academy White Tigers. For their last game this elimination round, the White Tigers are ready and prepared for this game. Even though their opponent has no loss this season, they will fight and give their all. According to Coach Terry, one of their adjustments is they will try to execute the man zone defense for this game. Isa rin sa naging preparation nila is their shooting because yan ang lack nila last game. And as the head coach, he continuously reminds the team to always give their all. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Kita nila dito ang galing, of course. Ayan nga, sabi nila dito, mas pag-iigihan pa nila kesa doon sa kanilang last game. Kaya yan ang titingnan natin for this matchup this morning. Especially,
Nabanggit kanina, rookie teams. Now, both of these teams are underdogs but played well throughout the elimination round, and Green Serpents almost magpa 5-0 na dito and will end in an undefeated record, while the Pasacao Academy looking to extend their win. At sa pagbabalik, partner, magsisimula na ang inaabang bakbakan, Battle of the Green Schools, the ACC Green Serpents and the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Dito lang yan sa Bucal Season 5, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at the Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium for our first matchup, the Pasacao Academy and the ACC Green Serpents. And now we can see the Pasacao Academy on the hard court. Hinihintay na lang po natin ang ating ACC Green Serpents para sa pagsisimula ng ating laban ngayong araw to. But before anything else, we would like to thank our dear sponsors. We have the Havaianas Bigs, Elise Sportswear, NAGA College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Anjana Trading, BMEC Premium, and Sea of Wings, because tigers can have wings.
We also have Bangkok's Kinalas Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCFA Gallery and Museum, Hulaya Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main at NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Fighting Range, First World Class Indoor Fighting Range in Bicol Region, SMC Naga, NCF Training Pool at NCF Driving School. And now, first possession goes to the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 18 of the Green Serpents, Mayor, passes it to jersey number 10, turns it over. Bola ngayon ng Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
Now, chance for the Pasacao for the first basket of this game is now Briosa. Back to him. 19 seconds to shoot here. Now Briosa passes 17. 10 seconds to shoot here. Anong gagawin dito ng Pasacao Academy? Briosa again with the ball. Tries for a quick three, no good.
Defensive rebound there by jersey number 15, Mira Bueno. Jersey number 18 ngayon. Passes to jersey number 6. Jersey number 4, three-pointer. No good. Rebound there. Now, Pasacao Academy White Tigers on the offense.
Briosa now with the ball again. Passes to jersey number 3, Oriol. Now on the inside. Offensive rebound. Pero there's a whistled foul there. Jersey number 4, Mariscal will be on the free throw line. No good for that first basket. Mariscal will try again for the second time. First basket for the Pasacao.
Now Green Serpents, jersey number 18, Mayor. Passes it to jersey number 10, to jersey number 6. Inside play, jersey number 15.
Now Pasacao. Briosa. Nagmamadali dito. No good for that one. But another steal on their side. A back-to-back steal for both teams.
Now jersey number 6 of the Green Serpents. That's good for Beltran.
Now Briosa. Again on the inside for a layup. Still no good for him.
Green Serpents now with the ball. Beltran, alley-oop play. Doesn't go, pero corner pass to jersey number 4, three-pointer. No good, offensive rebound.
But now, ball possession of the Pasacao Academy. Oriol passes to Briosa. Now on the corner, tries. No good.
Good save there by the Green Serpents. Beltran ngayon. Corner pass to the weak side. Jersey number 18. To Beltran again. His three-pointer, no good. Gets his own rebound.
Now Pasacao. Briosa again. Tries for a layup. Pero nahihirapan pa rin siya ditong ipasok ang bola.
Jersey number 4 of the Green Serpents, Codores, passes to extra pass to jersey number 15, Mirabueno.
Yes, we're just only starting. Let's see. On the half of our first quarter as Mariscal on the inside for a layup. Medyo nahihirapan dito ang ating Pasacao Academy to get a point.
Green Serpents, again, Codores, layup there.
Now, a good start for the ACC. Jersey number 6 blocked by the ACC. Now ball possession of their team.
Beltran, inside pass to jersey number 10, corner. Three-pointer by jersey number 18. Pero, doesn't connect there.
Now, Briosa or Oriol. Passes on the inside, Mariscal. But a second chance point coming here by Bola, the team captain of the Pasacao.
Officially ends that 6-0 run created by the Green Serpents. Beltran passes it to the corner. Jersey number 4 will try inside. No good. Offensive rebound. That's good for Codores.
Now, Atienza. Passes to Bola. Now Mariscal, a mid-range jumper. Too short for that, but an offensive rebound. The ball will go on the side of the Pasacao. Oriol now to inbound.
Few substitutions here from the Green Serpents.
11 seconds to shoot here for our first quarter. Dio now on the run. But the ball will stay on the Pasacao. White Tigers, 6 seconds on the shot clock. As now Oriol to inbound. Atienza tries. That's good. A 3-pointer coming from Atienza.
Jersey number 18. Now Beltran. Jersey number 11. 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 17. Now, turnover dito. Side naman ng Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Man-to-man trapping na dito ang ACC Green Serpents. Nice steal there by Beltran. Inside play. Doesn't go in. White Tigers now. Jersey number 6. Blocked there by jersey number 7 of the Green Serpents. Cardinho. Alley-oop play. That's good by Beltran. Stealed again by Beltran. Miscommunication there. Beltran, 2-pointer. That's good. And the Pasacao Academy White Tigers will call a timeout here. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. 12-6. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Now, Pasacao Academy trailing here. And the ACC Green Serpents nasa kanilang kalamangan. 12-6 ang ating score now. What will be the adjustments and new game plans by coach by the coach Aristeo Olivan of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. And we are back to the ball game.
Now, medyo nahihirapan nga ang ating Pasacao White Tigers to gain a point here. But now this is their ball possession. Chance for them to get a point. Now, Bola. Passes to Atienza. Back to Bola. Medyo grabe ang harang dito ng ACC as Oriol. No good for that attempt.
Jersey number 17 of the Green Serpents skies and flies for that 2-pointer. Civiliano.
Now, an 8-point lead coming from the ACC. Another steal from their team.
Miscommunication there. Passes it outside and ball possession mapupunta sa ating White Tigers.
Now, Atienza. Nagmamadali for a layup. That's good.
Great run there by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers despite having big man inside the court courtesy of the Green Serpents. Jersey number 17. Extra pass to jersey number 7. No good. Now ball possession pa din ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Oriol. Nagmamadali dito. Passes to Escano. Now to Mariscal. Still no good. Misses it.
Green Serpents. Beltran again. Beltran, hot start here for the first quarter.
16-8 na po sa ating talaan. 3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now, let's see. Will the Pasacao lessen the gap against the ACC as Oriol to inbound for their side? Now, a lot of substitution for the side of the ACC. Oriol. Now to Briosa. Back to Oriol. Now 19 seconds to shoot here. Atienza again. Misses it. Offensive rebound. Oriol for 3. Still no good here. But the ball will stay on the side of the Pasacao with just 14 seconds remaining to shoot. Now, Briosa to Atienza. Still no good for that try. Now an offensive rebound. 11 seconds to shoot here. Briosa again tries. In and out ball. But the ball will stay, or the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents now.
Medyo nahihirapan dito ang White Tigers sa kanilang opensa, and they need to create open shots here since mga big man ng Green Serpents really penetrating outside and also on the inside. Parang pressured, heavily pressured dito ang Pasacao Academy as the Green Serpents gets that basket.
Now, nasa first quarter pa lang tayo. Let's see what will the Pasacao will do. But that's a traveling violation committed by Escano. Brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now, ball possession of the ACC.
Jersey number 5, pull-up jumper. That's good for Serrano.
Atienza handling the ball now. Pass to Escano. Turnover for the side of the ACC.
Double-digit lead na po ang Kalamangan dito. So first quarter, 20-8 in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. Jersey number 11 passes it to jersey number 9. Serrano. Jersey number 17. Pero exchange of traveling here, and traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
Now ball possession of the White Tigers as Escano passes on the inside. Still no good para dito sa ating Pasacao. That's an offensive foul. Still nahihirapan ang ating White Tigers to connect with each other and get a point here. Now, Atienza again tries. Nahihirapan pa rin dito.
Sevillano gets that long pass, pero ball slips on his hands. At ball possession, mapupunta sa Pasacao Academy. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining here in the first quarter.
Now Escano to Briosa. Now again, an extra pass. And this time na ipasok na nila yan.
Despite having big man pressuring them, still gets that 2 points courtesy of that great pass. There's number 5, Serrano. Mid-range jumper, no good.
Now Oriol, last 43 seconds on our first quarter as Escano again get another point for the White Tigers.
Green Serpents now on the offense. Sevillano passes to Serrano. Jersey number 9, Green Serpents. Sevillano back to Serrano again. Jersey number 9 is 3-pointer. That's good for Vargas.
Clean basket coming from him. Now 23-12. Last 9 seconds as Atienza. Still no good for that one. Offensive rebound again. Atienza get that ball. And a good way to end our first quarter. 23-14, still on favor of the ACC Green Serpents. We will be back for the second quarter of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our second quarter. And Pasacao Academy White Tigers trailing against the ACC Green Serpents. And White Tigers will be inbounding the ball. Jersey number 3, Oriol.
Now, pero bago ang lahat, special thanks po muna tayo kay AJ Rain Creatives Design and Print by Miss Abigail and Goy Candelaria. Maraming salamat po. And now, White Tigers for our second quarter. What a good way to start for Atienza. A three-pointer coming from him.
Green Serpents need to protect outside the three-point line as the White Tigers really going for an open shot as Serrano will also try a three-pointer and that's good.
Nagsagutan lang sila doon sa tres. Now, let's see kung ito na ba ang quarter para sa ating Pasacao White Tigers as Briosa again with the ball. Pero
Still there. Deflection by the White Tigers.
The ball will go on the side of the White Tigers. 26-17. 9-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Now still ball possession of the White Tigers. Oriol to inbound. Now passes to Briosa, back to Oriol. What will they do? 15 seconds to shoot here. Still on the side of the White Tigers with just 12 seconds to shoot. Now, Briosa to Oriol. Three seconds here. Still no good. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Pasacao White Tigers, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporting na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, ano update natin?
Thank you, Ellie and Tin. We are now on the second quarter of this match. For this quarter, they are reminded to double their effort para mahabol pa nila ang score ng kalaban. Even the opponent's advantage, they are reminded to focus on it. They are reminded to stick on their system, and the coaches notice that they are pressured with their opponents, so they are reminded to stay calm and execute what they practice. Yan muna update for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. And really, the White Tigers here trying to execute their game plans, especially kapag nakakaharap nila tong mga big man ng ACC Green Serpents. They try to find a way to rotate the ball properly and also to create good baskets. And also, para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ali. Ali, anong balita natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and LA. We are now on the second quarter of the game, and the Serpents are now holding the advantage lead. During the huddle, Coach Badong reminded the boys that this is their last game before the quarterfinals. So make this ball game an opportunity to correct their previous lapses and build the habit they need to elevate their game for the next level of the league. He ended the huddle by establishing their game plan and reminding them of their 1-3-1 defense. That's the latest here on the side of the Serpents. Balik sa inyo, Tin and LA.
Thank you so much, Ali. And grabe din yung depensa dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents as they are now on the lead of 7-point against the Pasacao White Academy. Now, ball possession of the ACC.
Jersey number 9. His three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound. Serrano, again, three-pointer. That's good. Nothing but the net for Serrano.
Now, ito yung shooting na nakita natin last game dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents at ngayon, umiinit na sila as that's a traveling violation coming from Briosa. Brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Now, ball possession of the ACC, a 10-point lead coming from them.
Jersey number 17, Sevillano. Passes it. Now, Serrano. Again, jersey number 9, inside play. Scrambling.
Now the ball will go on the side of the White Tigers. 6 minutes and 26 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Now Briosa ngayon magtatawid ng bola for the White Tigers. Passes to Oriol. Now on the corner for 3. No good.
Green Serpents now on the offense. Sevillano. Switch here to jersey number 11. Corner pass. Step back. 3-pointer. No good. Serrano gets that loose ball. Back to Serrano again. 3-pointer. Again. That's good for Brick Serrano.
Ayun, umiinit dito si Serrano. A lot of 3 points coming from him. But let's see as Chris Bola blocked by the ACC. Na ball possession na to ng ating Green Serpents.
Serrano. Now, he is double team here. Jersey number 11. Serrano with the ball. Passes to jersey number 9. Vargas. Corner. Jersey number 17. No good. Rebound by Serrano. Tipped in. No good. Pero again, jersey number 17, Sevillano, gets that 2-pointer.
Napakaganda dito sa ating ACC. Doon sa rebound talagang lahat nakukuha nila. So they get their second chance points here. Dahil nga sa kanilang height advantage dito against the Pasacao Academy. But now on the side of the White Tigers, Mariscal will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Now substitution for both sides sa ating kalahatian ng second quarter. Now Mariscal on the free throw line. Tries for his first attempt. That's good. 36-22. 14-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Now again for the second time. Yung basket para dito kay Mariscal.
Green Serpents now on the offense. Jersey number 19 loses that ball back. Again to the Green Serpent side. Jersey number 8, corner. Serrano.